Hi, before you start with the course, let me guide you how to follow this course. See, this course is for beginners who are pursuing C++ as their part of academics, and also useful for those who are going to attempt job interviews. And even if you are a professional programmer and you want to use C++ in your application development, the course is definitely useful for you. So if you are a beginner, then you will be learning right from the very basics to the advanced level of C++ programming. So if you are a beginner, don't skip any video, right? Don't skip any video. The beginning first two sections are covering the essential fundamentals that are required for learning any programming language. So if you have never done any programming, you are very new to it, then don't skip anything and follow each and every video step by step, right? The next thing, in every video, wherever I am discussing programs, I have written the programs on whiteboard. After listening to the lecture, better you prepare some notes and also you try to write on the program by yourself on your own machine, that is in your own environment, that is own IDE. And if you face any problem, then you can watch a demo video next to the topic. So every topic is having a demo video after that. And also along with the demo video, there is an attachment of the program that is shown in the demo video. So I suggest you to practice it by yourself first. And practicing C++ programming is more important. Just listening to the lectures will not help you. The more you practice, the more programs you write, the more confidence you'll get, and you'll get more used to with C++ programming. And there are some student exercises at the end of each section. You try to complete them, and for them also a demonstration as well as a video, that is a PDF file, is also available for it. And at the end of the course, there is a student project, a small student project at the end of C++ course. I suggest you to complete that project by yourself. And for that also a demonstration and the code is given, that is PDF is available. And for every section there is some quiz. Try to attempt those questions. And if you have answered wrong, then I suggest you to just watch the relevant videos once again. And at any stage, if you face any difficulty, if you have any queries, if you have any questions, just feel free to post a question to me. I will reply quickly. I will give you an instant reply on that one. And if you are having any errors while writing the programs and all, I suggest you to send a screenshot, right? So that I can quickly answer you. So you can post a question so that I should be able to understand your question and quickly answer it, right? So don't hesitate. I am always there with you throughout this course. All right. So hope you enjoy the course and learn a lot of things in C++ in this course.